Hello there everyone, it's me, it's Mrs McKee. Here we are again. It's a lovely sunny day at the moment outside my hut, so I'm feeling a little bit warmer this week. I hope you've had a lovely week. I hope you're nice and warm wherever you are too, but we're definitely going to get warmer over the next couple of minutes because we are going to get ourselves all warmed up with an action song, all to do with your feet. Can you stand up for me? Super. I want to see if you can do these different things with your feet 8 times. So first of all, can you walk with me 8 times? Let's count the beats first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. Okay, here's a harder one now. Can you hop 8 times in time to the beat? Let's count first. Ready, steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you make sure you were hopping with 1 foot off the ground? Very good. I know you can do this, but make sure you do it the same as my counts. We're going to jump 8 times. Ready? Count first. Ready, steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you making sure that you are jumping at the same time as my count? Good, because that means you're matching the beat. Okay, here's another one. Now watch out for this. This is going to make my laptop wobble because the floor in my hut is quite bouncy. I'm going to stamp 8 times now and make a dreadful noise. Count first. Ready, steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Could you see the top of the roof was wobbling? But it wasn't, it was the laptop. Very good. Now the very last one I want you to do is like you're tiptoeing. You don't want anybody to hear you. I'm going to call it creeping. Okay, so can you creep with me 8 times as well? Let's count first. Shall we whisper it? Ready, steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Now, let's see if we can do all of those actions one after the next without a gap, without a space in between. Can you remember what order they came in? Walking, hopping, jumping, stamping, creeping. Okay, so that should be 1, 2, 3, 5 different actions. Walking, hopping, jumping, stamping, creeping. Can we do it? Ready? 8 times for each one. Ready? Ready, steady, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, creep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you do it? Fantastic. Did you notice I didn't say number 8 because I was telling you what to do next? Now I hope you've remembered all those actions because I'm going to try now to put that into a song. And again, there aren't any gaps in between all of the actions. So make sure you're really listening and you're still going to be doing your actions in time to the music this time. Shall I play you the first bit and then you'll get an idea of how fast it's going to go? Here we go. I hope it's the right volume. Cross fingers. Let's try it. So, super standing up for me. Can you hear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking, walking, walking down the street. Walking, walking on 2 feet. So we're still walking at the same speed that we were counting before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But then we have to do 8 more because of the rest of the song. Okay? Walking, walking, walking on 2 feet. Walking, walking down the street. And then it's straight to hopping, hopping, hopping in the air. You get the idea. If you want to swap feet with your hopping, that's fine. Okay, are we ready from the beginning with the music? There we go. Let's see if I can get it up and running again. Here we go. I'm going to put this down. Off we go. Walking, walking, walking on 2 feet. Walking, walking down the street. Hop, hopping, hopping, 1 foot in the air. Hopping, hopping, here and there. Jump, jumping, jumping, 2 feet off the ground. Jumping, jumping, all around. Stamp, stamping, stamping, what a dreadful noise. Stamping, noisy girls and boys. Creeping, creeping, mustn't make a sound. Creeping, then we're sitting down. Can you sit down? Very good, everybody. Well done. Like I said, if you were cold to start off with, that should have warmed you up nicely. Very good. So did you make sure that all of your actions were still at the same time as the music? That you weren't just jumping as fast as you could? Good. You were doing your actions to the beat of the music then. Well done you. Right then. It's time for us to say hello. I know we've done it the wrong way round today, but never mind. We can always say hello. I'm just going to pop this disc back in. I've got a little bit chilly. We're going to sing our hello song again today, but we're going to do it in our different voices. Now, because we haven't been able to sing, thought I'd stop that. Because we haven't been able to sing at school very much lately, we haven't been able to use our different voices that we have. We've got, at the moment, 4 different voices that we're going to use today. We have our singing voice, and that's what we've been practicing because we haven't been able to do it at school, have we? We've also got our speaking voice, and we just talk normally, just like I am now. We've also got one that we've used already when we were counting, our whispering voice. And we've also got the one that we learnt about last week when I brought the magic bunny, where you say the words in your head, your thinking voice. So I'd love to see if we can sing hello everyone, all the way through in our 4 different voices today. You never know, the magic bunny might pop out and help us with the last one. So we're going to sing, we're going to speak, which will sound different when you're saying the words, whisper it, and then up here. Are you ready? Got your wavy hands? Are you ready? Off we go. Hello everyone, glad that you are here. Hello everyone, glad that you are here. Ready to clap? I'm glad that you are here. Again. I'm glad that you are here. Now do the same thing, actions, but with your speaking voice so you say the words. Off we go. Hello everyone, glad that you are here. Hello everyone, glad that you are here. I'm glad that you are here. And again. I'm glad that you are here. Now let's say it with our whispering voice, really quietly. Off we go. Hello everyone, glad that you are here. Hello everyone, glad that you are here. I'm glad that you are here. I'm glad that you are here. Are you ready to do the actions now? Because guess who's going to come and help us? It's the Magic Bunny. So this time we're going to sing the whole thing. Sing it in your thinking voice, but in your head. Okay, so he's going to hide now, isn't he? Because if he's sitting up like this, that means we have to sing it with our singing voices. But he's going to hide. So, are you ready? Off we go. Did you do it all the way through without wanting to sing it in your singing voice? Well done. Good for you. We've used our 4 different voices today. That's super. Thank you, Magic Bunny. We might use you another time. Okay. So, I think it's time for us to find out what this week's animal from the Carnival of the Animals is, don't you? Yeah? I've got a feeling I've put the wrong disc in. I have. Okay, so I'm going to get my bag. You're going to curl up small. You're going to see if you can guess what the animal is this week, because I'm going to give you some clues. Okay, right, let's just make sure that this is stopped before I get the bag. Oh, there we go. Okay, so do you remember our little song? We're going to curl up small and then we're going to see what's inside. Ready? Off we go. Something inside is curled up small, waiting to come and see us all. We'll clap our hands and count to 3, and then we'll have a look and see. Ready to clap with me? Up you get. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here's some clues. I've got 2 of them in my bag today, but that's only because we're going to make them dance a little bit later. Here's some clues. So, this animal is rather unusual. It's one of the unusual animals that comes from Australia. That's kind of a mammal, but it does very strange things with its babies. The babies are born and then they crawl all the way up the fur on their mummy's tummy and hide inside a pouch until they're big enough to come out. They've got funny ears and a very long, powerful tail and tiny little paws at the beginning, at the front of them. Do you know what it is? They're very good at jumping. Yes, it's now I've made them very small and you'll find out why. Can you see it? Boing, 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 boing. It's a kangaroo! We are going to listen to the music for the kangaroo this week from Carnival of the Animals. Okay. Now then, what you might want to do for your homework this week is to make yourself one of these kangaroo puppets. So I've made 2. Oh, I have made 2, but I've also noticed inside, oh, this kangaroo, this second kangaroo, is holding the picture of the instrument that Sanson, the guy who wrote Carnival of the Animals, uses for the kangaroo music. Can you see here? What's that? It's a piano. Most of us know what a piano looks like, don't we? That's a posh piano. It's a big one called a grand piano because it's sort of sideways. Can you see? It's on legs instead of one of those pianos that stand upright. A grand piano. And you play the keys, the black and white keys, and little hammers inside hit some strings to make the sounds. So that's what we're going to be listening to today. But what you might want to do before you listen to it again, you can always come back to this or you can find it on the internet, is you could make your own little kangaroo finger puppet. And what I've done is I've sent your teachers this. Okay? So that is for you to print out at home or at school if you want to. Cut round the outside of the kangaroo. You might want to stick it on some card to make it a bit thicker. And you're going to need to get a grown-up to help you to cut these holes out. Now, why have they got holes, you're asking? Because they're for sticking your fingers in and making the kangaroo's great big jumpy powerful legs. So whilst we listen to the kangaroo song from the Carnival of the Animals, I'm going to use my kangaroo puppets to do some actions along to the music. Okay, now I'm going to have to go over here so you can hear me properly. I hope you heard all of that. You can make your own kangaroo puppets, cut the holes out and stick your fingers to make their little legs. Okay, so we're going to be listening to the piano play this piece of music. And whilst you're listening and watching the kangaroo dance, I would like you to listen for the different sorts of sounds that the composer, Saint-Saëns, uses to make the sounds of the kangaroos hopping. Okay? He does some opposite sounds in this music. See if you can tell me what the opposite sounds are at the end of the piece. Okay? So we're listening for opposite kinds of sounds. So what are opposites? Big, small, high, low, things like that. Okay, so here it goes. It's very quick. Hope you can hear it properly. It's quite quiet, this version. Clever little piece of music. It's ever so quick, but doesn't it make you think of kangaroos? So why is that? What were the opposite sounds that you could hear in the music that the piano was playing? Could you hear? Short and quick sounds. And then when the kangaroos were doing this, what were those sorts of sounds? Long, smooth, quick, short, long, smooth. So we had two different sorts of opposites there, didn't we? Quick and slow, so short and long, and then what were they? Short and smooth. So fast and slow and short and smooth sounds. So you might want to see if you can find the kangaroo music on the internet from the link that I sent to you. Have a look at the little video of what their kangaroos look like. You might want to make yourself some kangaroos, colour them in. Yeah, see if you can get a grown-up to help you with the holes so you can stick your fingers in. You can play some games with them as well. So, there's your kangaroos. I think it's time for us to be some kangaroos now, don't you? Right. So, in this song, I want you to do some more actions, and they're a bit like the ones that we did at the beginning. There's just one action that's different that we didn't do earlier on. Okay, so we know now that you can hop, yes. We know that you can jump, but like a kangaroo, you need your funny little paws. But the other one is skip. Now, lots of people find skipping very difficult, and grown-ups especially forget how to skip. It's like when you get to 18, you forget how to do skipping. Skipping is like kind of hopping from one leg to the other. Okay, so I'm just going to move my microphone so I don't smash it to pieces. So standing up for me, this time we're not going to do 8, we're going to go very quickly from one to the other. So first of all, I want you to go hoppity hoppity on one leg. Let's do it again. Hoppity hoppity, yeah. Then I want you to go from one leg to the other and go skippity skippity. Let's do that. Skippity skippity. Doesn't matter which leg you do it on. And then I want you to go jumpity jump. Let's do it. Jumpity jump. Good. So the whole thing will go like this. Hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump. Let's try it. Off we go. Hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump. Then I want you to make some ears and go to the kangaroo song. So the whole thing again will go hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump to the kangaroo song. And then again hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump to the kangaroo song. Did you get it? Great. I'm going to move my laptop just a little bit so that you can see my head. There we are. Okay. So that is the chorus. That bit comes 3 times. And it has some notes. If you want to join in and sing with me, it goes like this. Hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump to the kangaroo song. Do you want to join in? Big breath. Hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump to the kangaroo song. Again. Hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump to the kangaroo song. Oh goodness, we'll definitely be warmed up by the end of this one. Okay, so that's the chorus. That happens 3 times. But before that, we've got a little verse that says, I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high I touch the sky. So I want you to stretch up really high and touch the sky. And then we're going to sing, all day long I skip along. So I want you to do some more skipping. And then you're going to show me the sign for singing. Sing my little song. So, I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. And then we do the hoppity skippity bit. Okay? Verse 2 is all about how kangaroos keep their babies warm inside their pouches. I'm a kangaroo, my mum has kept me warm outside her tum. Lots of babies mostly are in mummy's tummies, aren't they? But a kangaroo keeps them warm outside her tum, in her little pouch. And then we do the same thing. And all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Okay, do you think we know it? Like all the other songs, if you want to do it more than once, you can just rewind and do it all over again. Okay, do you think we're ready? We can do this. I'm going to get the disc ready. Here we go. Let's hope it's not too loud. So, here's the kangaroo song. Super standing up. And you can move in time to the beat whilst we sing the first bit. Ready to jump high and stretch high. Here we go. I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Ready to hop. Hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump to the kangaroo song. Very good. Now it's a bit about the tum. I'm a kangaroo, my mum has kept me warm outside her tum, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity hoppity skippity skippity jumpity jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Back to the beginning, stretching up really high. Off we go. I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high. I touch the sky and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Do me some big kangaroo bounces round the room till the music stops and I want it to freeze. Very good. Give yourselves a great big clap. I bet you look brilliant being fantastic bouncy kangaroos. It's time for us to stop now, time for me to go. So if you want to print out your little kangaroo template, cut round it, colour it in, stick it on some card and have some fun with the kangaroo music from Saint-Saëns' Carnival of the Animals. And I'll see you next week for one more. Take care everybody, bye!